Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the further notifications from this channel. So today our recipe is Desi style mutton biryani. The speciality of this biryani is we are not using any powdered masalas here. All are freshly blended paste we are using. So with not any further delay, let's get into the recipe. Here I'm taking 1 kg of mutton. I've cut the mutton into medium sized pieces, which is called curry cut pieces. I have washed the mutton well and kept aside. Here we need to make green masala paste. For this I'm using handful of mint, coriander, 6 to 7 green chilies. Now blend these 3 ingredients into a paste using little water. Now let's marinate the mutton. For this here I'm using 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm adding the freshly blended mint, coriander and chilli paste. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt here. Add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder. Now to this I am adding half a cup of curd. Curd makes the mutton soft and it really helps the mutton to cook fast. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now mix all the ingredients well and rest it for about an hour. Here I am taking 2 glasses of basmati rice, that is approximately 1 kg of rice. Whenever you prepare mutton biryani, equal the amount of meat you have to take the rice. So here today I am using 1 kg of meat. So equally I am taking 1 kg of basmati rice. I have washed the rice well under the running water and I am soaking it for about 15 minutes. Now since this is Desi style mutton biryani, we need a fresh masala paste here. For this I have taken dhania 3 tablespoons, cardamom 6, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, stone flour 1 tablespoon, cinnamon half an inch of cinnamon sticks 4 to 5, bay leaf 2, cloves 6 to 7, 1 nutmeg, aril, that is the outer layer of the nutmeg, 2 to 3. Now we have to dry roast all these masalas. Once the masalas are dry roasted, they start releasing the aroma. That's how you get to know that masalas are well dry roasted. Now into a mixture jar, add all these dry roasted masalas and add little water and blend them into a paste. Now heat a pressure cooker and add 3 to 4 spoons of ghee. Now once the ghee is melted, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Guys, please check my video on fennel seeds water and its uses. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm adding the marinated mutton here. Now I'm adding the freshly blended masala paste into this. Now mix it well. Now I'm adding handful of cashews. By this time the mutton would have oozed out the water already. After that, add half glass of water and mix it well. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 6 whistles. Now after 6 whistles, this is how the mutton gravy looks like. Give a good mix. Now into this gravy I am adding the soaked basmati rice. Now mix it well and add half a glass of water again. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Remember guys, during marination time we have added 2 tablespoons of salt. So accordingly adjust the salt as per your taste. Now after adding rice, pressure cook it for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, yummy Desi style mutton biryani is ready. Yummy village style Desi mutton biryani is ready. Serve this biryani with raita, mutton gravy and salad. Guys, if you like this recipe, please like, share and comment. Most importantly, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the further notifications from this channel. Thanks for watching. Namaste.